Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the zigzag patterns that you see on your leaves. They are leaf miner pests. I'll help you identify and control leaf miner pest, get to know symptoms and control of this pest. However, leaf miners are not very serious pest, but if not controlled, then it can cause serious damages. While in most of the cases, this leaf miner damage won't kill the plant unless it's extremely heavily infested. It can be unsightly and potentially a gateway for fungal or bacterial diseases to get access to your plant. So if your plants are healthy, they should survive the leaf miner assault. Leaf miner pests can attack plants during their larval stage. They love eating plant tissues. Leaf miners can be larvae of sawflies, moths, flies, beetles, etc. Whether you are a farmer or a gardener, this pest can really disturb your plant. They can attack brinjal, gourds, tomatoes, a lot of flowering plants also. It can attack wide range of horticulture crops. The eggs from the mated female are laid inside or over the surface of leaf if inside it is done with female's ovipositor, which pierces through the leaf skin to inject the egg. And one female may lay up to 250 eggs. And in a span of 10 days or less, the eggs will begin hatching into larvae. This is when they are at the most destructive, as larvae makes a tunnel through the leaf tissue and feed on it. This feeding phase will go on for 2 to 3 weeks depending on the particular species. Once the larvae are nearing pupation, they will chew through the skin of the leaf and drop on the ground below. A lot of my gardeners friends shared their queries regarding this pest, whether it is tomato, brinjal, beans or any kind of gourd. This pest can attack them. In this article, I am going to share symptoms and control methods to save your plants. So please keep on watching. There can be many insect species that attacks your plant as leaf miner pest, but the symptoms are nearly similar. You can easily notice yellowish to whitish irregular curly lines on the leaf surface. If you notice such sign, then it means larvae is feeding on your plants. They can feed on more than 25 plant families. What actually they do? They punctures the surface of the leaves and starts feeding them from the inside. They can be of any insect species. That's why the control methods are not specific. Therefore, the identification of this infestation is easy, but knowing about actual pest species becomes difficult. But don't worry, we are not going to discuss about leaf miners. Our main goal is to control them, and for this we need to identify pests from their symptoms. Now talking about their control. There are various methods by which you can control this pest. Let's start learning each one of them step by step. So here are some organic control and prevention of leaf miners. First is check your transplants for leaf mining damage before planting out in your vegetable garden. Ignore such seedlings which are infested with leaf miners so that our new plants are infestation free. Keep checking your plants at least after 2 to 3 days. This practice will help you identify and control them well in time. Once you have identified them, the next step is to get rid of the leaf miners. So should make a practice to check your plants and look for leaf miners, because if they are detected at early stage, we can easily get rid of them before they spread to other parts of the plants. And when you monitor plant leaves closely, at the first sign of tunneling, squeeze the leaf at the tunnel between 2 fingers to crush any larvae. Then soon enough, this killing larvae can allow plants to survive minor outbreaks. Pick off and destroy badly infested leaves in the garden. Now we will discuss some physical methods, as leaf miners are larvae of flying insects. So if we can control any flying insect pest, then we can save our plants from leaf miners. For this, we can use yellow or bluish sticky traps. These sticky traps attract flying pests towards them, and if we can get rid of insects from these sticky traps, we can definitely stop them from putting their eggs on the leaves, which may develop into larvae and will infest our plant. Second is cover your plants with floating row covers to keep adults from laying eggs on leaves. Protect small seedlings by covering them with protective cloth or a cold cap. Do not plant vegetables in the areas where you had previous leaf miner infestations. Remove remaining old plants and till the ground after harvesting your crops. This can significantly reduce leaf miners populations by destroying pupae in the soil and eliminating several sources. The next point is scout for egg clusters on the susceptible plants regularly and destroy them as soon as they are visible. Leaf miners on vegetable crops have been under control by their natural enemies, in particular parasitic wasps such as Diglifus bignii. These wasps feed on leaf miner larvae and can significantly reduce leaf miner population. And the best thing is that they are commercially available. We can look for various gardening websites and purchase them and place them in our garden. Now let's discuss about organic leaf miner control methods. But one thing is that it is most difficult aspect of getting rid of leaf miner is that insecticides often can't reach the larvae that is protected within the leaves confines. It can be real difficult to figure how to deal with them. Because of this, spray solutions have limited effect. However, a thorough coating of all plant surface with neem oil does have some effect. Spraying neem oil to control or prevent leaf miner infestation is very beneficial. Neem oil will break the leaf miner's life cycle by preventing larvae from reaching maturity. It also acts as an anti-fidant, a repellent, and it interferes with the egg-laying activities. So before I start telling you how to make this neem oil spray, I must warn you that use this spray only in the evenings. And also do conduct a patch test, as higher concentration of neem oil may lead to damage to your plants. So to make this, take 5 or maximum 10 ml of neem oil and mix it with 1 liter of water. After that, take 2 to 3 drops of any liquid soap or dishwasher soap and mix it with this neem oil and water mixture. Apply this mixture on your plants every 3 days, and after the infestation is gone, you may apply it after 1 week or 2 weeks. So now I hope that after using these tricks and methods, you will certainly get rid of this leaf miner problem and will get a wonderful harvest from your plants. So wishing you happy gardening. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked the video.